Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be promoting another business that has been around for a very long time. These are a set of products that you might have seen at your local West Indian store, and it is called Sugrims. Now Sugrims is far more than just some spices and pepper sauces. They have a whole wide array of different items, and it is all started by Ron Sugrim, and he is a wholesaler of vegetables and nursery plants by trade, but he also sells all of these bottled and pre-made items. Now before I get into this video, if you all wanted to purchase fresh vegetables such as tulsi, hot pepper, karaila, bora, poi bhaji, okra, peppers, cucumbers, banana plants, other herbs, tomatoes, bok choy, and many more, please go ahead and contact 201-772-2201 or ron_sugrim@yahoo.com. He will go ahead and put together a box for you, and you can get some of these items or even fresh veggies and plants shipped right to your door. Ron is very passionate about what he does. All of the herbs, plants, and vegetables he grows are held to a very high standard by him. He wants to make sure that the customers get the best products. He's the owner of Devso Farms, and he's been around for such a long time. And of course, all of these different items here are sourced locally. They're all great and high quality products. You'll find more information in the description box right below this video on how you can purchase these items directly from him. But most of these items can actually be purchased right there at your local West Indian store. So make sure you look out for the Sugrims brand. Now in the next few months, you're going to see me utilizing all of these different items that he has put together for me. And of course, if you give him a call or send him an email, he can get you the fresh vegetables that he sells. So first off, you have his molasses. You also have his cassava kashrap, and this one is all the way from Pomeroon, Guyana. So it is the real deal. It smells great and it tastes great. You will also see that for many of their bottles and many of their items, they have a smaller version as well as a bigger version. So just in case on your household, however much you use these items, you can get a bigger or smaller one. The next set of items that he has is his refined coconut oil. Now this one is really good for cooking or frying or anything of the sort. This is the type of coconut oil that is usually used for cooking purposes, and especially if you're using it on a daily basis, it's still a healthier type of oil. And this right here is his extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. This type of coconut oil is less processed, and this is the one that people might rub in their hair, might rub on their skin, and of course you can use this to cook with as well, but not if you were frying or making large amounts of something. This is for more small amounts. And these right here are some of my favorite items that he gave me to use in my videos. I have the Ceylon cinnamon powder, as well as the cinnamon sticks, as well as the whole cloves. Now all of these items are from Ceylon, Sri Lanka, and these right here are the real deal. He makes sure that he's getting the highest quality for all of you at home, and trust me guys, I use this in some of my recipes that you're gonna see soon, and all of the cinnamon was so fragrant, the cloves were fragrant, nothing tasted like it was a spice that was sitting on the shelf for a long time, and a little piece of that cinnamon stick went such a long way. The next product that he gave me to use in my videos is this pure wildflower honey. Just by the color of this honey, you can tell that it's going to be amazing, and sure enough, when I used it in my recipes, it tasted great. Now, many of you guys might have seen this bottle before, because a lot of the stores on Liberty Avenue, a lot of the puja stores, they have this honey in their puja stores, and they sell it for use in puja or Hindu prayer services. So I know a lot of you guys might have seen this bottle, but little did you know you can use it for cooking and eating purposes as well. This one right here is self-explanatory. This is roasted cumin powder, 100% high quality. It tasted absolutely amazing, and it's also a product of Sri Lanka. You all know that I use cumin or jeera in all of my curry recipes and anything of that sort, and this right here had that perfect roasted flavor, and it tasted great in the food. So definitely check this one out. These right here are the main stars of the show, his pepper sauces. Now Ron has specially curated each one of these pepper sauces, even to the point where he makes sure that he grows the pepper exactly the way that he wants, so we can get the proper taste and the best tasting pepper sauce. He actually supplies a lot of the different West Indian restaurants in New York, so this way they have a great tasting pepper sauce as well. He has his Trinidadian pimento sauce, which is more of a flavoring agent versus something that's hot. He has a regular Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. He has a green version of that. He also has a pimento pepper jam and a habanero pepper jam. Those can be used for dips and almost like a jelly. And he also has a Surinamese hot pepper sauce, which is amazing. And the lemon hot pepper sauce was great, as well as the Jamaican Scotch bonnet sauce. And this is the whole reason that I got in touch with Ron, and I wanted to showcase his products on my channel. Now, every Guyanese household, especially Hindu households, know that we need ghee to make parsad, a lot of the religious sweets that we make. And this right here is such an amazing type of ghee. I say this because the taste reminds me of like an old-time parsad, and there's not many additives and all kinds of extras like they have in the ones that they sell nowadays. Now this right here is inside of Ron's personal backyard. Now as you all can see, he's obsessed with pepper planting and different vegetable planting. He also plants everything in his backyard, so this way he can test out what works and make sure that it grows properly, so this way when he sees it on his farm, he knows exactly what to look for. He's so passionate about it. All of these peppers looked absolutely amazing. He actually gave me a pepper plant to take home, and this is the reason why I'm asking all of you to go ahead and head out to your local West Indian store and look for your Sugram's products, or give Ron a call or send him an email so he can send you some of these items that I showed in the video, or he can send you some plants and some fresh vegetables if they are in season. He would love to help all of you, and he loves to bring his products into people's homes. So if you all enjoyed this video today, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Drop your comments down below, and I'll see you all again very soon in my next video. Bye everyone.